This is Rankin Works. We are attempting to contact Yasin Salam. If you are Yasin Salam, please press 1. Urgent finding for CR of the arm for Jimmy Setti, patient ID UID 6351622 on March 20th, 1999. Urgent finding, bowel obstruction. If you would like to acknowledge the urgent, press 1. To replay this message, press 2. If you would like to be connected to the radiologist, press 3. If you would like to be connected to the patient's location, press 4. Urgent cleared. Thank you. Goodbye.